Hello Android developers, my name is Mohsen, and as promised in the previous video about KTLint, in this video I want to talk about Detect Linter tool for Kotlin based projects. Before I start, as usual, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get a notification when there is a new video. I explained in the previous video how a team can benefit from linting the source code and linter tools. Detect is another linter tool developed by Kotlin for Kotlin projects, and it does take care of code quality in contrast with KTLint that is responsible for code formatting. Detect is a static code analysis tool that operates on the abstract syntax tree provided by the Kotlin compiler. Thanks to the contributor's elegant job, this library can detect potential code smells, potential bugs, potential performance issues, potential security issues, code complexities, and avoid human errors despite the fact Kotlin is a safe language. Detect has highly configurable rules that can be defined across the whole project. These rules can be suppressed based on case on the occurrence site using suppress annotation as an exception or tech debt that might need more changes to be taken care of later. A good practice is to write a comment before the suppress annotation to explain why or include the tech debt ticket number for the next developer. These rules also make a new team member onboarding easier by defining ground rules for the whole team. Detect is available in command line as a CLI, a third-party Gradle plugin, and as an IntelliJ plugin that keeps showing immediate feedback while you're coding. It also wraps KTLint inside and can generate HTML reports for human read or XML reports for parsing. Reports come as warning and errors, and you have to resolve errors with higher priority. You can enable all rules and define a baseline for the project to ensure you can activate it in your CI checks tasks to not introduce new ones, and keep doing error-free code and resolve the old issues slowly with less pressure. I hope you also found this video and Detect Linter tool practical, and soon will add it to your CI checks task. Do not forget to like and share the knowledge by sharing this video, and also subscribe to this channel to get more Android development lightning tips and tricks. Bye.